Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jason S. Balberan and we are the Group 5. This video is a discussion that will focus on the facts about the genetic engineering and biotechnology and their products. What is genetic engineering? Genetic engineering, often known as genetic modification, is a technique that modifies an organism's DNA using technology developed in labs. This could entail altering single base pair, erasing a section of DNA, or incorporating new DNA. What is biotechnology? A type of technology known as the biotechnology uses biological systems, living creatures, or fragments of these to develop or produce various goods. Innovative diagnostics, vaccines and medications, and other medical countermeasures are required to identify, stop, and treat infectious diseases. Biotechnology has the ability to produce these items.
5 technologies or products of genetic engineering and biotechnology.
DNA profiling technology. DNA fingerprinting is an application of DNA technology that gets a lot of publicity. If you can look, you can find stories about it all the time. So people released from prison after DNA analysis of all kinds of evidence shows they were innocent. And also profiling is particularly important for solving to substantiate if people are connected to each other or paternity examination. So there are some positive and negative aspects of each technology on society. So the positive is DNA profiling is utilized as a part of, for instance, forensic testing and criminal investigation to recognize a man or to put a man at a crime scene. Strategies which are currently utilized internationally in forensic science to enhance police investigation work and help solve paternity and migration issues. And also DNA profiling has been used in a number of ways that have had a positive effect on society. For example, DNA profiling has been used in paternity tests to determine the father of a child when the mother is unsure or when the father is denying responsibility. And also the negative is it is used to falsely blame innocent people. And also it is a complicated and tedious process, at times giving results that are hard to interpret. And also the problems with data security and DNA fingerprinting also create problems for additional storage and privacy.
First is an example of GMO or genetically modified organism. A genetically modified organism or GMO is a plant animal that has undergone molecular manipulation to add a small quantity of genetic material from another creature. The GMO that are currently available on the home market genetic characteristics that offer resistance to insecticide protection, adjuvant pests or improved quality, biotic potatoes, biotic corn, biotic sweet corn, rounded up ready soybean, rounded up corn, and liberty link corn are few examples of GMO field crops. Positive and negative aspects each technology society. Positive GMO food are designed to be healthier and cheaper to produce. Advantage of GMO food include added nutrients, fewer pesticides, and cheaper prices. Advantage of GMO food can be allergic reaction or increased antibiotic resistance. Negative, the use of herbicides may increase overall as a result of crop technology. According to research, and herbicide also spread usage of gene crops may also have effect on agricultural ecosystem, which another worry.
Medical biotechnology is a branch of medicine that uses a living cells such like prokaryotic and eukaryotic, and also cell materials to research and then produce pharmaceutical and diagnosing products. These products help treat and prevent diseases, from the Ebola vaccine to mapping human DNA to agricultural impact. Medical biotechnology is making huge advancements and helping millions of people. In every situation, there is always a pros and cons. In biotechnology, the positive is research in medical biotechnology has led to increased knowledge of disease, acceleration of the treatment process, improved pharmacotherapy for infectious diseases, and hope for the struggle against incurable diseases such as ALS, MS, and Alzheimer's. Biotechnology allows us to look within just as easily as we can look to the outside world for advancement. Studies that involve the human genome have allowed us to understand more about genetic diseases and some cancers, creating more effective treatments for them, and sometimes cures. It has allowed us to explore the reasons behind certain birth defects, to understand the importance of folic acid that makes it possible to extend the average human lifespan.
Abuse is the primary disadvantage that biotechnology can provide. When the concept of this field of study are misused, it can have a devastating effect on people, society, and the environment, and even our planet. For that reason, certain areas of studies in biotechnology, such as human cloning, have been restricted or outlawed outright. On the wrong hand, biotechnology can even create weapons of mass destruction. All the benefits that biotechnology can provide could also be turned into a weapon that is used for mass destruction. Crops can be improved, but they can also be destroyed. Medicines can be made with biotechnology, but diseases can also be weaponized. If left unchecked, biotechnology could even create societal class that is created specifically for research purposes only.
Good day everyone, this topic is talk about messenger RNA vaccine or mRNA. It is a type of vaccine uses genetically engineered mRNA to give yourself instructions for how to make a protein form on the surface of the COVID-19 virus. A messenger ribonucleic acid vaccine is a biological substance given to you in a series to shoot design to protect you from the development additive. And this vaccine works by triggering your immune system to create antibodies. The antibodies are potent in the body. They fight bacteria and viruses that cause disease, and they have the positive and negative aspects each technology society. The positive aspect of messenger RNA vaccine offer new opportunity for the development of effective vaccines to people who have a low protein of their itself. And the negative aspect of messenger vaccine is that vaccine might not be as effective in people who have a weakened immune system. And the other side effect of mRNA is you can feel any symptoms of your body like chest pain, fever, head pain, and etc.
Synthetic insulin machine. An artificial pancreas automatically monitors your blood glucose level, calculates your amount of insulin you need at the different points during the day, and delivers it. An artificial pancreas device will not only monitor glucose levels in the body, but automatically adjust the delivery of insulin to reduce high blood glucose levels and minimize incidence of low blood glucose with little or no input from the patient. Positive aspect of this technology in the society. It helps keep the glucose in your blood within a normal range. It does this by taking glucose out of your bloodstream and moving it into cells throughout your body. The cells then use the glucose for energy and store the excess in your liver, muscles, and fat tissue. Negative aspect of this technology in the society. The major challenge of insulin despite its efficacy has been the appearance of hypoglycemia, which has resulted suboptimal dosages being prescribed the vast majority.
Manufacture and availability in the Philippines. Synthetic insulin is an artificial pancreas that automatically monitors your blood glucose level, calculates the amount of insulin you need at different points during the day, and delivers it. It reduces high blood glucose levels and minimizes the incidence of low blood glucose, with little or no input from the patient. Synthetic insulin is available in the Philippines mainly through pharmacies. Some brands available in the Philippines include Novolin, Homolin, and Apidra. All of the brands are manufactured by Eli Lilly Philippines Incorporated.
Biotechcorn was developed in US in 1996, and since then, effort to introduce it to the Philippines began in earnest from March. After undergoing 3 phases of evaluation, the commercialization and production of BT corn was approved in the Philippines in 2022. Corn is the most important staple crops of the Philippines. It ranks second to rice in the utilization of agricultural resources. It is used not only for human consumption but also for animal seeds and industrial uses, thereby making it a vital corpse of development of the livestock and manufacturing industries. The recent economic assessment of genetically modified corn was also released by researchers from UP Diliman.
Both fields are significant, but based on the past trend, biotechnology is a better and faster growing industry than genetic engineering. A science that emphasizes research is biotechnology. Technology and biology are combined in it. We are all aware that technology is the application of the scientific knowledge for useful ends or application, whether in business or daily life. In essence, technology is used whenever we apply our scientific understanding to accomplish a certain goal. Because of this, vaccination and medication make up the majority of genetic engineering and biotechnology products.